The Boo and Ruggy Show! Yay! Hi, welcome back to this week's video. Today we're going to be drawing ElizaDeath. Here are the steps. You draw a circle, and then you draw two circles in the circle. And you do this to one. The other one, you're going to find out what happens later. So you're going to draw an upside down U and a bunch of dupes. Then you're going to draw her hair. So the squiggly line, then a squiggly line, then a squiggly line, and another squiggly line down here. You're going to do that on this side. So you draw your squiggly lines. Okay. Then you're going to draw her, I don't know what it's called.
Her torso?
Yeah, no, I don't want to call it that. It's yucky.
Okay.
And then you're going to draw this upside down U like this. You're going to draw a heart in it. And then a leg like this. And a leg like this. Then you're going to draw her shoes like this. And the other one. And then I'm going to start coloring.
Does she have arms?
I forgot her arms, silly me. So for her arms, you're going to draw this, like this, and then a circle, and that for the other arm. And now, wait, no. So you need to draw a circle on the floor. Now I'm going to start coloring. tell you the story of some things. So the story of her eye that came out was when she was doing acrobatics and
Nice and loud.
she fell and yeah. And the story of this is when she tripped on the sidewalk. Boo, I'm scared. Oof. Well, Ruggy, it's just a drawing. Bye.